Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my first fall-ish looks for the year, and I'm just feeling the transition lately. We're using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. This is actually look number 27, if you can believe it. Using the Profusion eyeshadow primer and Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Powder to catch any fallout. And of course picking up the Wet n Wild Wild Heart Artistry palette to start the look off. So first row, last eyeshadow, it's a beautiful matte terracotta shade. It's a true terracotta shade, and I'm just going to kind of messily, hastily place this in the crease. I'm going to build upon the shade and kind of blend it at the same time. I'm using a fluffy blending brush from Profusion. Really nice brushes from Profusion, definitely recommend them. And once I have that, I'm going to go in second row, last eyeshadow in this more reddish, darker toned, brownish terracotta orangish shade. Yeah. And I'm going to use a large shader brush, and I'm going to press that in the outer corner, and I'm also going to press that against my orbital bone, and it's going to blend very easily and nicely with the crease shade because they are of a similar color family. We're just going to go through and blend all of those, or blend those two shades together, and you're also going to see me go in on the other eye too. Now next up, I'm going to be picking up this golden shade from row 3, and it's so pretty. I did wet it with the Hard Candy Primer spray, and I'm going to just kind of press that around on the lid with an eyeshadow brush. Not quite all the way to the outer corner, and I'm just gonna like fake kind of cut the crease with this shade. Then I'm gonna go wipe my brush off, get all the wetness back off of it, and then press the eyeshadow dry into the lid as well, just kind of setting that down. And if you didn't know, while I'm blending these, this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, the Wild Heart one, is all the shadows you can use wet or dry, so that's why I foiled that eyeshadow as well, and this looks so good. They blend so easily too. So first row, second shade, it's this vanilla, like kind of pale yellow shade, and I'm going to use that for my highlight shade. I love this shade, and I'm just going to use that on a large eyeshadow brush, but it's kind of fluffy at the same time, so it's good for blending. I'm going to blend down the crease with that, and then I'm going to mesh the crease shade, the first one I used, with the brow bone highlight as well. So whatever was left on that brush, I used it. Wiping away fallout. And then on the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the terracotta shade that I used in the crease for my lower lash line as well. Now I'm taking a combination of the shimmery white and that shimmery icy pink in the second row and applying those in my inner corner. It's going to open up the eye, and it just looks so stunning. So I didn't want it just to be white, so I kind of warmed it up with that pink. That's why I mixed those. That is Jordana's 24-hour continuous almond pencil and Wet n Wild breakup eyeliner. This is AOA Studio Lash Adhesive and the Shein lashes, and these are gorgeous lashes, and I got them for I think like $2. So once I have those on and about knock the camera over, I'm going to take Ione's Volumizing Lash Mascara and mesh my real lashes with the false lashes. Here is the finished eyes. I love how this look came out. I think it's fairly easy to achieve, and I hope that you guys love the look and found the video helpful. This is Maybelline's Lifter Gloss in Ice. I just went for a glossy lip, and this is the finished look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Stay tuned for more looks using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for watching.